Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef and the owner of a boutique bakery in New Jersey. Today I'll be making vegan lemon cookies. These cookies are nice and soft on the inside and have a nice zesty lemon flavor. So let's get started making the cookies. First, I'll start with mixing my dry ingredients together. I have 240 grams of all-purpose flour, or 2 cups. You can also use a gluten-free flour if you'd like to. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt and stir those together. Now I'm just going to set these aside. In my bowl, I have 114 grams of vegan butter, or 4 ounces. This has been softened to room temperature. And I'm going to add 200 grams of granulated sugar, or 1 cup, and 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. And I'll start mixing this on medium speed for about 2 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Now I'll add in my egg replacement. I like this brand, which is simply eggless. For using this brand, you want 3 tablespoons. This will replace 1 egg. And now 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And again, we'll mix this on medium speed until all the ingredients are combined. And add the dry ingredients that we mixed together earlier and stir those until they're all moistened. That's it. Now we'll move on to scooping our cookies. I've prepared 2 cookie pans and lined them with a Silpat mat. You could also use parchment paper. And I'm going to scoop 2 tablespoons of the lemon cookie dough. And these will bake at 350 degrees for 12 minutes.
That's it.
So that's it. These lemon cookies are great on their own, but you could also consider adding in some fresh blueberries or some dried cranberries. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you and have a great day.